How to see your Facebook password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Passwords application on your device. Passwords is an inbuilt application of Apple and it stores all your passwords if you have saved them. Now, once you have opened Password, you will be required to enter your biometrics in order to unlock the app. So go ahead and enter your biometrics, and once entered, you will be inside the app. Here, in order to check your password, tap on the search option on the bottom of your screen and then go ahead and search for Facebook, and you will be able to view all the Facebook related accounts. You can simply tap on the account whose password you are looking forward to see. And now, if you tap on the password option here, the password will be unhidden. You can then tap on the copy password option if you want to copy your password, or you can tap on the change password option you see there if you want to change your password. And just in case if you do not have it saved in your password application, you can open in your preferred browser. I will open Chrome here. Here, make sure that you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign in with your account. And once signed in, tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen, and here you will see the option for Password Manager. Tap on the Password Manager option, and now you will be required to enter your biometrics again. So go ahead and enter it, and then scroll down and navigate to the Facebook option, or you can also tap on the search bar and search for Facebook. Now tap on Facebook and then go ahead, and here you will be able to view all your Facebook related passwords. You can tap on the eye icon in order to unhide the password. So this was about how you can see your Facebook password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.